Good morning everyone. It is Sunday, my regular upload day, and we are in the middle of a thunderstorm. As soon as I start filming, it doesn't want to do anything. There we go. So, from the looks of it on the internet, I think this thunderstorm's going to go all day, so I have to film in the middle of a thunderstorm. We have had some very hot weather. Last Sunday was 37 degrees. Thursday was 36 degrees. Yesterday was 36 degrees. And so hence why we've got a thunderstorm going at the moment, because it's just, the energy is just full on in the air at the moment. You can feel it. It is hot still. And if I'm lucky, that might be rain I can hear, which is what I want most of all, because we have hardly had any in the past week or so. I just got out of bed, so I'm not properly dressed. So I can feel spots of rain on me. Yeah, there's no lightning, which is the weirdest part. So, how are we going? Well, if you can hear me okay, our lemons are coming along rather nicely actually. This one over here is the biggest one so far and doing very well. Lemon trees are stressful because you've got all these big lemons around the joint, and one day they're there, the next they're not, and it's just like, no. This is going to be fun. I shouldn't even be out here. So I planted some zucchini seeds last week, and they are absolutely loving the heat, as well as the sweet potatoes, going very, very nicely. I'd actually like to dig in there and see if I've got anything, but I'm not going to do that. So down here, I'm going to make this quick because I don't know whether it's going to start pouring with rain or B, but it's going to start having lightning and everything. I have seen lightning early in the morning. There we go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Stark revelation! I got a tomato. Was that on cue or was that on cue? I got a tomato. I'm so happy. Oh, look at this. Yeah, see how hot it's been? Look at that lavender. It's all yellowed. I watered and watered and watered and watered and watered. And I think the weeds are enjoying it more so than the plants at the moment. I tried getting stuck into the weeds the other day. It was a messy job. Purely because of the prickles. They were getting in my gloves, and my nose and my eyes were just swelling up, and there's a reason why I don't like that job. I just saw a butterfly. Yes, a common blue butterfly. Oh, my morning glory is trying to make an appearance. So let me try and squeeze through here. I really badly want some rain for this garden. That was a big one. I think it's going to be a dry thunderstorm more than anything. Rain? 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 Yeah, we got rain! We got rain! We got rain! Yes! Oh, it's been so hot lately, it's just not funny. So, we'll just move along. I can't believe I got tomatoes. Yay! Ooh, whatever that was. This one's actually got some buds on it, I noticed the other day. This one did have a flower on it. Yep, still there. Capsicum plant is really trying hard. I thought this one was dead, but it's just starting to perk back up again, which is really weird. Speaking of dead, something's really had a go at my basil. I gotta make this quick because my camera is absolutely getting saturated. And we got cucumber seeds, and yeah, okay, yeah. So we're getting there slowly but surely with regards to some food. So with a little bit of luck, we might have some tomatoes in the near future. So that would be interesting. And we've got the birds up there having a grand old time on the top of that tree. I don't know if you can see it on there. Enjoying the rain and the thunderstorm. My lot are going out food shopping in about an hour's time, so they'll be really impressed. But we have a 21-degree day tomorrow, and it's back to the 40s again by Friday next week. So I'm not complaining about this at all. So heard of that. Oh, glorious rain. It's still 30 degrees, so it might take a while to cool down. But you can see the garden getting a bit of a drink, which is good to see. Lovely. This is what Australia is all about. Very hot days. And when the cool change comes in, it's a pity it's only 8 o'clock in the morning, and some people will be out there with a beer, having a beer and just, yeah. We're Australian, come on. And that super noise you can hear in that tree is called noisy miners, and they go all day. So sometimes it's a blessing to put the aircon on to drown them buggers out. I just want to stand here for a bit and just, yeah. Like I said, I've only got 2.5 hours sleep last night because the storm started at 2 o'clock in the morning. And now listen to it. It's either going to cool things down or it's going to make things muggy. Not quite sure which. So look guys, I could stay here all day and watch the rain, or I could go inside and do something. So yeah, so that's the update so far. I'm so glad I got a tomato to show you guys. At least that means my garden's doing something. With the cucumbers, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I like to get rid of the reeds up there and plant them up the top there, but I'm not too sure on that. I don't want to plant them in the garden bed purely because something in there keeps eating those kinds of plants. So I might use those pots there and just put them in the pots there for the time being, just to protect them a little bit more until they get bigger. I think that's what I'll do, and I might just put them here. So, because it will get 2 hours this afternoon sun, and yeah, it will just, that'll be just the right type of heat for it. So, although the heat doesn't seem to bother cucumbers very much, and obviously zucchinis have survived as well. So, so it's interesting to see what does survive in this heat and what doesn't. So, and now I'm rambling. Okay, I'm going back inside, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye.